Memamu nyinaa akwaba ba wonu Opoku nso atwi dwumadie so. I welcome you all to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. We are entering into a new arena. Why am I saying that? We're going to start a new topic, and that is going to be what? Conjunctions in Twi. In English, as you know, when we say a conjunction, it's just a word that coordinates two phrases or clauses or sentences, or a word that coordinates the words in the same clause. Good. We also have conjunctions in Twi, and they are similar to that of the English. Good. This is what I'm going to do. In fact, I'm going to lay much emphasis on the conjunctions, forgetting about the other words that may be found in a sentence. We will lay much emphasis on the conjunctions in each sentence or clause or phrase. Good. First of all, I'm going to read a passage to you. And after that, we will try to underline all the conjunctions in that passage. And then we will find the Twi correspondent to each of them. So stay tuned. Well, the passage goes like this. If Kwame and Amma come back from Europe, they're going to stay with us. So we are renovating the guest house in order to accommodate them. We'll raise some blocks, plaster the walls, and then paint the whole house. Good. I want you to help me to underline the conjunctions in this passage. We have if, and, so, in order to, and finally we have then. Good. Let's try to see if we can replace each of these conjunctions with a Twi correspondent. Through that, you'll be able to understand, or you'll be able to know the Twi word for each of these conjunctions. The first one we have if. If Kwame and Amma come back from Europe. The Twi word for if is se. Se. So, it won't be surprising to find some Ghanaians saying, "Se Kwame and Amma come on." Good. So, what I'm trying to say is that when we say if, in Twi, we will say se. 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 The next is what? And. And. The Twi word for and is ne. Ne. So it will be what? Se Kwame ne Amma kama. Se Kwame ne Amma ba. As I've told you, we are laying much emphasis on the conjunctions. When the time comes for us to learn how to form sentences in Twi, then we will also talk about the other words that are found in the sentences. But this time around, we lay much emphasis on the conjunctions. Good. So we have se, which means what? If. And then we also have ne, which means and. But ne could also mean what? With. With. For instance, I can say, Kwame is coming with Amma. In Twi, I will say, Kwame ne Amma na eba. Kwame ne Amma na eba. You see, the with, I am using ne for the with. So, when we say ne, it could mean, as far as conjunctions are concerned, because ne has other meanings, it could also mean his or hers. But this time around, we are only learning conjunctions. So, I will give the meaning to ne as far as conjunctions are concerned. So all that I'm trying to say is that when we say ne, it could mean and or with. Kwame is coming with Amma. Kwame ne Amma na eba. Kwame and Amma are coming. Kwame ne Amma eba. Kwame and Amma are coming. Kwame ne Amma eba. So you see, Kwame and I still used ne. Kwame ne ama. Kwame is coming with ama. Kwame ne ama ne eba. So in all of them, I used what? Ne, ne, ne. So when we say ne, as far as conjunctions are concerned, it means and what? With. Good. Let's go to the next conjunction in the passage. The next conjunction, we said, so we are renovating the house in order to accommodate them. So we have so and in order to. So in Chi, we will say enti, enti, enti. We are renovating the house. So we are renovating the house. So if you want to know how to say so in Chi, then this is the meaning, or this is how we say it. Enti. We are renovating the house in order to. In order to, in Chi, we say senyebeya. Senyebeya. In order to. Senyebeya. Some people will also say sediebeya. Sediebeya. Sediebeya or senyebeya. They are the same. You can use any of them. Senyebeya in order to. Sediebeya, that also means in order to. So this sentence in Chi will say enti yesiesie ahohodan no senyebeya yebetumi agye won. Enti yesiesie ahohodan no senyebeya yebetumi agye won. So we are renovating the guest house in order to accommodate them. So when we say so in Chi, it means enti. And then in order to, senyebeya. Senyebeya. Good. The final sentence in the paragraph, we said we will raise some blocks, plaster the walls, and then paint the whole house. And then, first of all, let me tackle then. Then. Then in Chi we will say na, na, na. So in this sentence, we will say you better blocks. Na ya plaster walls no. Na ya painti fie no hunina. This is how we say that in Chi. But if you look at the sentence, you see we have and then. And then together is also what? A conjunction. In Chi, if you want to say and then, you will say na fe. Na fe. You see the difference? If you want to say then, only then you say na. Na ya penti efie no nyina. But if you want to say and then you say na fe ya penti efie no nyina. Na fe. That is what? And then. So in all, what we are saying is that in Chi, when we say se, it means if. Se. Se. If. Ne. Ne means what? And. Or with. Ne. Ne. And when we say senyebeya or sediebeya, it means in order to. In order to. And when we say enti, it means so. Enti, so. And finally, when we say na, na, it means what? Then. 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 However, we also said that if you want to use the phrase and then Then in Twi you say nafe, nafe. Good. We have more conjunctions to learn, so keep following this channel. If you really enjoyed this lesson, you can pass a comment to let me know, or you can give it a thumbs up. You can share and also subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. And thanks to you all who have subscribed to this channel. See you.